Today I'm making my zucchini ravioli. First, mince the garlic, and then finely chop the onion. Now, in a preheated pot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onions and cook for about 5 minutes until soft. Now add the garlic and stir and cook that for 1 more minute. Now stir in the crushed tomatoes. Add the salt. The oregano. The Italian seasoning. And the pepper. And I'll stir that, cover it, and simmer for 15 minutes. Now in a large bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, the parmesan cheese, and mix that up. Now add the egg and mix that in. Now add the salt and the pepper. Now mix everything well to combine. Next, shred the carrots. Add them and mix that together. Now finely chop the parsley. Add that in and mix. Finally, squeeze out all the liquid from the spinach and add that in, and then thoroughly mix everything to combine. Now slice a small piece off the end of the zucchini, and then using a potato peeler, slice the zucchini down till you reach the seeds. Then turn it over and repeat the process until the entire zucchini has been sliced. Now, lay 2 slices of the zucchini sideways. Then 2 slices over top longways. Then place a spoonful of the filling in the center. Now fold over the sides. Then fold up the other slices over top of that. Then place them fold side down. Repeat till all the filling and zucchini is gone. Now spoon some of the sauce in the bottom of the dish. Then place the zucchini in the sauce, fold side down. Top that with the shredded mozzarella cheese. Now bake on 425 for 20 to 25 minutes.